I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all our international guests to BUILDEXPO. Kenya is not just a destination, it is also the gateway to the East African region where business, leisure, and defense come together seamlessly.
It's the first experience, but we can see that there are a lot of opportunities. They are actually very happy to see our products, and they are very happy about our Italian quality.
Happy to be present in this activity. We had good quality inquiries coming in, good leads coming in, and we are happy to be part of this.